Katebe Farm in Lyantonde is positioned as a model for science-driven agriculture, following a major transformation led by the Engineering Development and Innovation Center. The upgrade introduces modern dairy technologies including a steam boiler, biomass burner, and improved pasteurization systems. The upgrade introduces modern dairy technologies including a steam boiler, biomass burner, and improved pasteurization systems. The intervention will increase milk value, reduce post-harvest losses, and lower production costs. Dr. Monica Musenero launched the transformed dairy farm.
I'm seeing that Uganda is going to rapidly over the next 5 years. If we have a way, science, technology, and innovation, we want at least every district to have a factory, to have a value addition factory, which is significant like this, because when you have a factory like this now, the farmers are going to have market, and the prices for the farm gate improve because they don't have to sell their products, then they are taken very far, and then the market also begins to have a variety of products. And the one thing I've seen is the ease with which we are moving our products across borders.
Mwebare munonga. Mwebare munonga. Echanji hati niza kugaruka ngambe itachanji hati no kusima no kwakira kuko nakira minister chairman emisigo ya Kigamba no minister okubanza okwijja kai omuri Katebe.
Farm owner General Kale Kayihura described the transformation as a turning point. Engineers say the model can support agro-industrialization.
According to the background, there are some consultants or engineers who have ever been in this place. We got Indians, there were Chinese, Kenyans also came, and some professors from a university that I'll not mention, over around 20 of them, they didn't have the solution. But through with us in innovation, we came up with this a very efficient and good performing boiler, which is a VHF.
The different farmers, all the different people in the households, all of them are beneficiaries. More than 1,000 jobs have been created because not only does the dairy processing farm now create even more jobs, but there's also a banana processing farm.
Farm supports over 1,000 people, boosting livelihoods in Lyantonde and surrounding districts. Sandra Kahunde, Proskovia Chontawaire, News Tonight.